Perform the indicated operation. Express the answer in the form a plus bi. Here we're going to multiply two complex numbers, negative 4 plus 2i times 3 minus I, and we'll do that using the FOIL method. So multiply your first terms. Negative 4 times 3 is a negative 12. Multiply your outer terms. Negative 4 times a negative I is a positive 4i. Your inner product, 2i times 3 is plus 6i. And lastly, 2i times negative I is a negative 2i squared. Let's simplify now by combining like terms and changing that I squared to negative 1. Thus we'll get a negative 12 plus 4i, and 6i is 10 times I. Lastly, we'll have a minus 2 times a negative 1, which gives a plus 2. Combining like terms then, we get a negative 10 plus 10i, and this is written in the form a plus bi, so it's in a simplest form, the correct answer, negative 10 plus 10i.